Food and clothes. Diversity in India. India is a big country with different states and union territories. People have their own food habits, clothes, and languages. These differences are due to climate. Some areas, like Assam, get a lot of rain, while places like Rajasthan get very little. The climate affects the crops grown. For example, wheat grows in North India, so people eat more chapati, while rice is common in South and East India. Food in India. Food habits depend on the land, climate, and crops. Some people are vegetarians, eating rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables, and fruits. Non-vegetarians eat fish, meat, and eggs too. Spices like chili, pepper, clove, turmeric, and cardamom make food tasty and colorful. Garam masala is a popular spice mix. Food of different regions. In North India, wheat is common, so people eat chapati. In Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala, people eat more rice. People in coastal regions like West Bengal, Odisha, and Goa love fish. North and Central India are known for spicy mutton dishes and kebabs. Fruits and vegetables vary by region. Kashmir is famous for apples, Maharashtra for mangoes, and Nagpur for oranges. Goa and Kerala have lots of coconuts. Sweets are an important part of Indian food. Bengal is famous for rasgulla and sandesh. North Indian sweets include kheer, burfi, and gulab jamun. Maharashtra has Shrikhand. Popular drinks include Punjab's lassi, South India's matha, and Kashmir's special tea called kahwa. Transport helps in making food from different states available everywhere. Clothes in India. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. In winter, people wear wool, silk, and fur to stay warm. In summer, cotton clothes keep us cool. Culture and customs also influence clothing styles. Dresses of women. The sari is the most common dress for women, worn in different styles in different states. Other dresses include ghagra kurta in Haryana, salwar kameez in Punjab, and lehenga choli in Gujarat. Some women also wear skirts, frocks, and jeans. Dresses of men. Men in North and East India wear dhoti kurta. Other common clothes are lungi kurta and pajama kurta. In South India, men wear a lungi, called veshti in Tamil Nadu and mundu in Kerala. Rajasthan men wear kurta with churidar. In modern times, many men prefer trousers and shirts as they are easy to wear. Headgears. Many men wear caps or turbans, which vary by state. Himachal Pradesh has embroidered caps, while Gujarat has the Gandhi cap. People in cold areas like Kashmir wear long coats called firans. Clothes for special occasion. People wear special clothes for weddings and festivals. Women wear beautiful saris like Banarsi and Kanjivaram. Men wear sherwanis and suits. Special clothes like uniforms help in identifying school children, policemen, doctors, soldiers, and mechanics. Seasonal clothes. In summer, people wear cotton clothes. In the rainy season, they use raincoats and umbrellas. In winter, people wear woolen clothes like shawls, sweaters, and scarves to keep warm. Special clothes and jewelry are worn for festivals and weddings.